Are you struggling with asanas in your yoga practice? Maybe you have some sore wrists when you're trying to do your arm balance. Maybe you're finding that some of the standing asanas are challenging. Maybe you're scared of doing inversions and need to do some work on your core. The good news is that doing yoga over time will definitely strengthen your body, absolutely. But here are two tips you can use to take your yoga practice physically to the next level and far beyond what you ever imagined. All right, so the first step is going to the gym. I know this sounds super weird, and maybe you're not a total fan of gym culture. Something to bear in mind is you don't have to participate in gym culture as you see on TikTok in the same way that you don't have to participate in the aesthetic yoga culture of Instagram. All right, so I recommend that you still go to the gym. It will strengthen your muscles, which will protect your joints. They'll also give you more stability. You'll build a higher level of bodily awareness. And all of this is going to come right back and personally enhance your asana practice. All the asanas will feel easy, okay? I promise you, give it a shot. Go for 2 or 3 months. Attend the gym 2 to 3 times per week. You'll see massive results. The second thing that I recommend is that you look at taking some kind of supplement. Now, check with your doctor first. This is not medical or health advice, but I have personally found that when I take creatine and protein, not only did my asana practice develop because I became more toned, and don't worry, if you take protein, you're not going to become super jacked or have your shoulders pop out or anything like that. But what you're going to find is that the muscle becomes more dense and more powerful, which means chaturangas aren't going to be hard, which means you can hold asanas for longer, which means you're going to feel light in every single asana. Creatine and protein dramatically help improve your asana performance. And that's just if you're doing asana alone. If you're going to the gym as well, this whole thing is going to connect. See you in the next one.